Very good morning everyone. Welcome to Unify Study. Very good morning. Am I visible? Good morning Rubala, Sai Suganya, Archana, Prakash, Arul Jyoti, Vanita ma'am. Very good morning everyone. Welcome to Unify Study. Here we are going to do the complete marathon session for the most expected question for the upcoming NET set examination. This week we are going to have the set examinations. For them it will be a quick revision and also practice with the PYQs. Do join quick so that we can start the session. Also learners who are preparing for the NET and other set examinations, also it will be most useful as a practice session. Do join quick. It's going to be a different set of questions. Do join. Very good morning everyone. Learners, those who are new to our channel, please do subscribe and watch the full video. And today we are going to see nearly 50 PYQs, right? 50 MCQs from across all NET set exams. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? I need your acceptance so that we can start with full josh. Frisky, very good morning Frisky. Yes. Okay, come on, let's start quickly the session on the complete marathon for the upcoming set examinations. First question on board. It is going to be of mixed questions. Very good morning Tamil Chelvan, Rajeshwari ma'am, very good morning. Quick answers, we can do more number of questions, right? Yes. Very good Smart Xavier. Come on, quickly get the answers. Please give the answers on your chat box. Quick. Very good. Very good. The oldest university in India. Very good. Everyone giving right answer for this question. Getting confusion between Nalanda and Takshila. Takshila is said to be the oldest university then compared to Nalanda University according to the archaeological data. So here Takshila is said to be the old university which is there in Rawalpindi. Now it is in Pakistan, but then time it was in India. And it was being said in the least of 5th century BC it was being started, and there we have it was being announced at the World Heritage Site by UNESCO in the year 1980. And Nalanda was being university started by in 427 BC and it was lasted till 700 years. It was being lasted there, Nalanda University, and there it is in Bihar, Rajgir. Vikramshila University, that is also said to be a very big university, and Mithila University which talks about Nyaya and Logic Sutras, right? And Vikramshila is also in Bihar. Next question, all the three are in India. Nalanda in India, Vikramshila in India, Mithila in India now. Takshila is then India, now it is in Pakistan, Rawalpindi. Clear? Yes, very good. Next question on board. Question from higher education. Do it quick. Ancient. Oh, Anita ma'am, that much critical. Okay. That time also the university is India, right? That's why. But very good thinking. List 1 talks about the field of study. This is all about how Vedas has to be studied. Right. Very good. Yes, very good. Yeah. Vikashini, Vimala, Prakash. Yes, very good. Quick answers. Yes, the right answer for the question is option 3 is the right answer. Siksha, Nirkuta, Kalpa, Chanda. What are all these? These are all how we have to study Vedas, how we have to pronounce Veda, how that subject should be learned, how it has to be pronounced, for what we have to, for which ritual, what we have to do, like that. So Siksha talks about phonetics and pronunciation of thought Vedas. Kalpa talks about the rituals and ceremonies, and Vaikharana talks about the grammar of that text. grammar of that Veda, and Nirkuta talks about the etymology or the explanation of words in that Veda, and then Chanda talks about the chant and the metrics of that Veda, and Joshishta talks about astronomy, very biggest area that was being talked in the Joshishta. So these are, we call it as Vedangas, right? Very good. Next question. The methods of learning in higher education in India in the past consist of what? What way we learned? Very good morning, Anju. KSET aspirants, please do share with your friends, because at last minute it will be a very good revision. It will be very useful for your examination. Please do share with your friends, those who are appearing for KSET. The methods of learning in higher education in India in the past consist of what methods? Do elimination. Try to apply the concept of elimination, eliminating techniques. Anjum Nadia, very good morning. Quick. Yes. Learning. Methods of learning. We can eliminate, right? Yes, the right answer for this question is memorization, critical analysis and storytelling. These are the methods which were used in the higher education for the learning techniques. Very good. Next question. According to the national, definitely we can expect question from this area. According to National Education Policy 2020, which of the following will include members from professional standard setting bodies? Very good morning, Pooja. Very good morning. Quick. Waiting for your answers. This is from NEP 2020. We can expect more number of, at least one question. One. Very good. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is okay. The right answer for this question is option 4, that is GEC. These are said to be the 4 verticals of NEP and higher education. One is National Accreditation Council, one is Higher Education Grants Council, another one is National Higher Education Regulatory Council, and then General Education Council. They talks about, they will be responsible for the monitoring and evaluating the implementation of professional settings, standards, right? Either it has been done in the institutions or not. So to monitor the implementation procedures, that for that we have the General Education Council. They will be responsible for providing support to the teachers and also for the education profession, so that we can meet that professional standard according to the government. Okay, so for that only we have this General Educational Council. This Higher Education Grants Council is for funding. National Accreditation Council is for what? For the accreditation of the institution, and this regulatory body was the National Higher Education Regulatory Council, regulating things in an institution. Clear? Yes. Next question on board. Which of the following has become the first state in the country to issue the order with regard to the implementation of National Education Policy 2020? First country to issue the order with the regard to implementation of NEP 2020. Which state? Waiting for the answers. I'll give you clue. I'll give you clue if you want clue. Do you want clue for this question? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone giving answers for this question. Very good. If I give clue means then you'll say answer, no? That's why. Okay. Which set you are going to write now first? Which set we are going to write now first. That is the clue. Now the next set is KSET. So Karnataka is the first state to implement this National Education Policy 2020. Clear? Yes. Go to the next question. The Kothari Commission suggested spending dash percentage on the income of education. This is a question asked in this June re-examination and was also been asked in other exams also. It's Karnataka, yes, Karnataka. With the Kothari Commission suggested spending of national income on education. Very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is 6%. See here, we have Radhakrishnan Commission during 1948-49. We have Mudaliar Commission, this is during the year 1953-54. And then we have Kothari Commission 64-66. Okay, what are all the... what is that? Outcome of this commission, main outcome of this commission? Yes. What are the main outcome of this commission? This secondary commission, sorry, Mudaliar Commission is also been called as secondary commission. Sorry, this is 52-53. This is 1952-53. This was been called as University Education Commission. This was been called as Secondary Education Commission. This was been called as National Education Commission. After this Kothari Commission, we have National Policy of Education 1968. And then we have National Policy of Education 1986. And then we have a program of action, that is the minor change in the NPE 1986. Program of action 1992. Of that POHA only, when major thing was NAC, implemented in the year 1994 in Bangalore, right? And then after this one, we have National Education Policy 2020. And please try to understand, for this chairperson was Kothari was the chairperson. What about 1986? Ramurthy was the chairperson, and NEP 2020 Kasturi Rangan is the chairperson. So try to remember the years, who has proposed, what are all the important initiatives in this one. Clear? So Radhakrishnan Commission, Mudaliar Commission, Kothari Commission. In Kothari Commission, he wants to allocate 6% of the national income on education. But so far we have not implemented. We have implemented 3.6 something for the education. Clear? Yes, very good. Next question on board. Operation Blackboard was the outcome of what? Operation Blackboard. Now also I told you, one among the thing was the answer in the before slide. Which one will come? Kothari, National Curriculum Framework, Policy on Education, National Curriculum Framework 2000. Very good, very good, very good. Please do note down the key points what I am telling you, or just listen carefully, will be helpful. Yes, the right answer for this question is, it is National Policy on Education 1986, NPE 1986. Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister at that time, okay, and where this is to give importance of education to everyone. And one more important thing in this NP is to removal of educational disparities by promoting inclusion. Inclusion means they want to bring women, SC, ST in the education system. That's the most important point held in National Policy on Education 1986. They want to bring inside the women, SC, ST in education system. Clear? Yes, very good. Next question on board from People Development Environment. Very good, quick. Very good. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is everyone giving option 333. Biological disaster, technological disaster, natural disaster, nuclear disaster. So biological disaster means what? Epidemics, pandemic, right? It happening because of the biological changes in the body. That is biological disorder. Technological disorder means what? Where we have a chemical spill is there, and that we comes under technological, that robo and all, right? that comes under technological disaster. Natural disaster means flood, earthquake, landslide, all this comes under the natural disorder. Nuclear disorder means Chernobyl disaster, which has been a nuclear disaster. Clear? Yes. So please understand and note down the types of biological disorder. We can take pandemic, we can say crop disease, and some kind of biological warfare, all comes under the biological disaster. Technological disaster means what? Industrial damage if it happens, and some kind of a dam is being collapsed, and a cyber attacks most important. That all comes under the technological disaster. Natural disaster means what? Flood, earthquake, volcanic eruptions, that all the natural disaster. Landslides, all comes under natural. Nuclear disaster means which are the things which comes out of nuclear plants, right? We call it as nuclear disaster. Clear? Yes, very good. Moving to the next question. Actually, I am going in the double X speed, so no need to worry, learners, because I am going in the double X speed, so you can just have the quick revision of concept, PYQs, practice, all in one class. Which local initiative can significantly reduce the plastic pollution? Plastic pollution. Very good, very good. Right answer for this question is banning of single-use plastics. That single-use plastics has to be reduced, because use and throw, right? That only creates so much of pollution. So the local initiative can reduce the plastic pollution by banning down the single-use plastics. Clear? Very good. Next, what type of disaster are addressed under the Disaster Management Act? What type of disasters are addressed under the Disaster Management Act? Very important one, comes under the People Development Environment. In the last week, we had app sessions, free sessions. In that one also we discussed about this disaster management. Hope you all remember. Yes, very good, very good. Think and answer. The right answer for this question is both natural and man-made disaster. Not only the natural disaster, okay, it's man-made, natural, okay. If there is any man-made disaster also happened, the disaster management team will go there to get relief out of it. And what is the act? It is Disaster Management Act of 2005. Under which ministry this disaster management comes? Under which ministry this disaster management comes? Quickly tell me. This we discussed in the day before yesterday PDE class. In the app free session we discussed. In free session we discussed. Quick. Which ministry it comes under? Disaster management. Very good, very good, very good. Kartika, very good. Yes. We discussed, learners. We did it here. Yes, the right answer is Home Affairs. Yes, Home Affairs. Thank you for remembering. So under Home Affairs it comes, it's the Act, Disaster Management Act 2005. Okay. So please kindly note down here in our Unify Study app, right? We have uploaded the free sessions, whatever we have done, right? I'll show you here whatever we have done. Under free course, not under paid course, under free course, everything is being uploaded here. See here, go to Unify Study website. You can also download the app and you can download the PDF there. There under free course, I have uploaded all the contents which we did last week in the app. See, KSET PYQ revision, all one day PDF is there here. Okay, whatever we done in YouTube, whatever we done in things, we all has been uploaded here. You can just make use of it. all different KSET questions we discussed, right? All are here, and here you can get access to the KSET question paper whichever from 2017 to 23 is been uploaded here with the answer key. You can access it, right? See here, you can also have the videos also here of KSET, whatever PYQ revision we did here in the app for free. Many learners didn't join, but okay, no problem, you can get access from here. And this is also WBSET which we did in YouTube, that is also been uploaded here. The materials are uploaded here. So learners, those who wish to get the materials, you can download the app from the Play Store, and you can get the PDFs and you can get access to it. Okay, clear? And you can also get access to the test here which has been for day. I also upload some test for practice the last minute. I'll be uploaded under this free mock test. I will upload for you. That also will be most useful for you. You can check the app. Okay, right, it is not under paid. I am telling these are all the things which are there under the free course. Free course, you can get these PDFs, you can get these videos, whatever I am taking, what I have taken in YouTube and app, all are available here in the Unify Study app, right? If for the learners who are preparing for the upcoming NET examinations, if they want to join the course, they can also just look into this paid course here in complete course paper 1. You can buy the course for 2 months of 1299. Here we are doing the PYQs practice of June 2024 and the previous year questions we are practicing vigorously. We are doing DI, and also next week we are going to start MR and also with the theory concepts of other units, right? So till we have only 40 days more for the examination. The most important things that we have to do is preparing the, if you have not prepared the content, we have to prepare the content as quick, and we have to revise that content, and we have to practice by means of attempting the PYQs, and also we are going to attend the mock test. That is most important. Here now we have updated the topic unit wise test we have uploaded, so for practice you can do it. And most important, I focus on data interpretation, that is also been there, we are doing regularly, that also you get access to those things. Please learners, try to understand this 40 days is very important to doing your revision, to doing your PYQs practice, and also to attempt your mock test. 3 important things. If we do it consistently for these 40 days, definitely I am telling you, you don't need to sit for another 6 months more. No need to sit for another 6 months more. Try to focus on these 40 days in these 3 things. Okay, if you do it consistently, definitely we can nail it. See learners, I am doing in YouTube different set of questions, in app different set of questions, so that you can get collective of questions over there for your practice session. So try to attend the classes in free classes. If you wish to take here, you can also come over there and attend. Please do practice, that is most important. Okay, with this I would like to go to the next question on board. Come on quick. Yes, next question on board. According to the themes of Sustainable Development Goal SDG, arrange it in the increasing order. Pooja ma'am, PDF is also there. That is what I am telling. PDF is also there. That's what I shown you, right? PDF is there, video is there. Whatever we did in app for the free last week and on YouTube, we are uploading. This also will be uploaded there. Don't worry. Right, very good. SDG 2015, 2030 is the agenda. 2030, and it was being framed in 2012. Right? Yes. I didn't see the answer. Sorry. Yes, the right answer for this question is option 1. So what are the 17 goals? We have 17 sustainable development goals, right? So no poverty, zero hunger, good health being, quality education. Here the question is, the first will comes with zero hunger. Zero hunger is what? It is SDG 2. SDG 2. Quality education comes under SDG 4. This is one of the main thing in NEP 2020 document. This line will be there to provide quality education to achieve the SDG goal 4. So please note it down. This is SDG 4. Sorry Chala, I didn't see. And then next one is option A, gender equality. This is SDG 5. Okay, SDG 5 is gender equality. And next comes climatic action, that is SDG 13. Very important, SDG 13. Next, peace and justice, that is SDG 16. Okay, 16. And one more important thing I would like to tell you among this one is quality education talks about your NEP. Okay, our NEP 2020 talks about quality education goal 4 has to be achieved by 2030. This one you have to remember. And you can remember this affordable clean energy, that is SDG 7, comes under the solar. Renewable energy is there, right? So it comes under the renewable energy, that is solar, wind, all these things that we have to remember for SDG 7. And you have to remember climatic action SDG 13, that you have to remember the climatic change. What are all the protocols and conventions which are regarding the climatic change, like example ozone depletion, greenhouse gas emission, like Paris Agreement, Montreal Protocol, all comes under focusing on this climatic action, right? And then we have a smart cities here, sustainable cities, SDG 11. SDG 11 talks about smart cities and all these things, right? Very good. Hi Ritik, very congratulations. You have qualified. Congratulations. Thank you. Yes, so these all comes under the SDG goal, 17 goals. Next question on board. And one more important thing, these are the important schemes that Government of India has made with respect to achieve the SDG goal, and this was being framed in the year 2023. Just note it down in your notebook, very important. We can expect questions here. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, that is to improve the employability in the rural areas. National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Then Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, just to give the household for the rural poor people. And then Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, it's for road connectivity where we don't have roads, right? For them, Gram Sadak Yojana. And then Deen Dayal Anantya Yojana, this is for Rural Livelihoods Mission, giving self-employability and skill development in the rural areas. Then Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. This is for skill development. Skill is most important. You have to remember the skill ministry, skill development ministry, MSD ministry, you have to remember. Then National Social Assistance Program for widow, differently abled people and elderly people, for them National Social Assistance Program. All these are the initiatives towards SDG goals done by the Government of India in 2023 December. Okay, and then we have Watershed Development Component Program under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana. This is for rain fed, we have to store rainwater and all this, right, to protect the natural resources. All these things are very, very important. Please note it down. These are current update. Clear? Yes. Very good. Moving to the next question. Thank you, Ritik. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas contributing to the global warming? Definite question from this area. We can expect from this. Greenhouse gas, ozone. Quick answers. Very good, very good. Also, just tell me what are all the greenhouse gases there. Quick. Meantime, while answering the question, tell me the greenhouse gases. Quick. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Quick. Yes. The right answer for this question is option 4 is not a greenhouse gas, right? It is a atmospheric gases that are present in the atmosphere. Nitrogen 78%, and these are we call it as a greenhouse gases. Very good. Tell me the greenhouse gases. In comma you can say, right? CO2, water vapor, methane. Very good. Come on, quick. N2O, nitrous oxide, and then we have the CFCs, that is the chlorofluorocarbons. We have hydrochlorofluorocarbons, and then we have SF6, that is sulfur hexafluoride we have, and then NF3 we have, that is nitrogen trifluoride we have. Please write it down. Nitrous oxide. Clear? And these are being called as the major greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and then what we have? Nitrous oxide, and then we have from industry, man-made, we have hydrochlorofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, PFCs, perfluorocarbons, and then we have SF6, that is sulfur hexafluoride, and then we have a NF3, nitrogen trifluoride. Very good, very good, very good. Next one on board, protocols. Protocols, quick learners, don't take too much of time. Very good, Kartika. Very good, very good. That is protocol, submit here and the issue of this one. Very good, quick. Quick answers for this question. Come on, learners, quick. Why taking too much of time for this question? I don't know. Very good. Yes. The right answer for this question is what? Option number 4 is the right answer. Very good. Kavita, Jufikar, Pooja, Satya, Vetri Children, Kartika, yeah, right. So Paris Agreement was for what? This is for climatic change issues. Climatic change issues to reduce the greenhouse gas emission. Where this Paris Agreement, another one we have, that is Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is mainly for the clean development mechanism. And then we have Rio Summit. This talks about the human environment. Montreal Protocol talks about the ozone layer. Very good. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, so the right answer for this question is option 4. When does it happen? Tell me the years now. Tell me the years. Montreal Protocol, when it happened? Tell me the years. Paris Agreement. Quick learners. It's a revision. Right, very good. Rio Summit happened in the year 1992. Earth Summit or Rio Summit we used to say. Montreal Protocol 1987 and it came into force in the year 1989. It mainly talks about the ozone depleting substances. Kyoto Protocol held in Japan and it was in 1997. It came into force in the year 2005. And what about Paris Agreement? Paris Agreement, this is mainly meant for what? Greenhouse gas emission. Yes, very good. Paris Agreement. Yes, very good. Very good. 2015. It adopted in 2015. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. And the main aim of this Paris, and it happened in a COP21. Okay, and it came into force in 2016. Right? Clear? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Yes, very good, superb. Next question on board. As per which of the following banned the use of chlorofluorocarbons as well as other ozone depleting chemicals? I want 100% quick answer for this question. I want 100% quick answer for this question. Quick. Yes, very good. Come on. Yes, very good, very good. The right answer was coming fastly. It is coming. It has to come fast like something. It should come, but it's coming. Slowly it is coming. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is Montreal Protocol. They want to ban the use of, see, they talked about the ozone depleting substances, but Vienna want to protect the ozone layer. That's a difference between the want to protect the ozone layer, but the Montreal Protocol talks about the how can be avoid those, ban those ozone depleting substances. Clear? Yes. Next one. Science that deals with relationship between living organisms with their physical environment and with each other. We call it as what? Very good. Quick. We are going. Yes. Which deals with relationship between living organisms with their physical environment and with each other. Yes. Very good. Quick. Waiting for the answers. Right. The right answer for this question, it is not ecosystem, it is ecology, right? So ecology, which talks about how the relationship between and the interaction that happens between the living organisms and the physical environment, and that study we call it as what called ecology, and that study we call it as ecology. Then what do you mean by ecosystem? Ecosystem means what? Ecosystem means what? What is the difference between ecosystem and ecology? Yes. Ecology is the study of what it is, right? And ecosystem talks about the system where which has the living beings, how they interact with each other. Clear? Right. Next one. Ecology is nothing but the study of that ecosystem. Study of that ecosystem, how living beings, non-living beings interact with each other and all those things. Next question on board. Which of the following is the largest carbon sink on the earth? Yes, very good, Zulfikar. Super, good, great. Which of the following is the largest carbon sink in the earth? Very good. Largest is the question. Very good. Yes, right. I'll give you a clue. Carbon sink means what? Which absorbs carbon from the atmosphere and then it gives away back. That is called carbon sink. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. The right answer for this question is ocean is said to be the largest carbon sink, and apart from that we have a forest. Then next comes forest. Ocean is the right answer. After oceans we will be having the forest, and then forest we will be having that rock and all those things, right? They will be coming in the next one. Yes, and then only animals will come. So the first one is the ocean. Ocean is said to be the largest carbon sink, which holds the carbon from the atmosphere and then it releases it back. Clear? Yes. Next one. Next questions from pollutions. Pollution. Come on, quick learners. Very good. Priyam, very good morning. Very good morning. Come on, types of pollution. Very good. Learners, those who have joined late, I am again telling you, Unify Study app, last week we did free sessions for KSET and other set examinations. Please do download the Unify Study app, and there you can have the PDFs, videos. You can download the PDFs for free. Learners, those who have joined late, I am telling you this. Clear? Yes, very good. Air pollution, water pollution, soil and noise pollution. Air pollution means what? Air. From which the pollution comes here? From the motor vehicles. Carbon monoxide will be released more. And water pollution. Water pollution, what are there? Because of the industrial discharge, right? Where from the industrial discharge we get some kind of like ammonia, lead. Okay, all these kinds of pollutions very harmful. Water pollution. And then soil pollution, which talks about the pesticides and fertilizer. And next one, noise pollution, comes from the constructional activities. Noise pollutions will be there. Very good. Next question on board. Pollution indicators. High pH level, excessive suspended PM, decibel. Easy question. Quick learners. Please do share with your friends so that they can also revise. Be generous. Let them also revise. Very good. Zohara, Brinda, Vetrichilven, Revati, Ramyari. Very good. Yes, right. The right answer for the question is option 1. High pH level, that is if water pollution. Excessive suspended particulate matter, that is the PM, that comes under what pollution? Air pollution. right? And then high decibel level, this comes under noise pollution, and contaminated soil with heavy metals, it comes under the soil pollution, right? Very good. Next question from logical reasoning. Next questions from logical reasoning, quick definite question we can expect. Square of opposition, syllogism, and then we have Venn diagram based question, and we can expect basic Indian logic questions, learners, not as like net, but we can also expect basic Indian logic questions over here. Clear? Very good. If the statement no animals are fishes is given as false, A, E, I, O, so this is a E type. If it is false means which of the following can be immediately inferred to be true? Immediately inferred to be true. Either it's A or O or I type. Which type of statement we can be say it as true? Very good. Yes, right answer. The right answer is option 4, because if that E type statement is said to be false means which of the following can be inferred to be true? The I type statement can be inferred to be true. And this statement we call it as contradictory statement. Learners, if you are new to this square of opposition concept, please do visit in Unified Study YouTube channel. I have made a separate session for these classical square of opposition. Please do watch, understand the basics, the type of statements like contrary, contradictory, subcontrary, subaltern, these type of statements, how it will be. Please do understand that basics, and definitely you can able to do it. Come on, next question on board. In a certain coding language, in KSET, like these kind of questions are also been asked in logical reasoning type question. Chemistry is written as DG something. Then how geometry will be written? Chemistry is written like this means how D, G, F, L, J, R, U, Q, Z. Then how geometry would be written? Take your paper and pen and do it quick. Scribble down. Very good. Quick answers. Very good. Super. Yes. Zulfikar, Galata. Oh. Okay. Yes, see here, you have to remember ABCD, right? ABCD. In that one, C, D. And then G, H, E, F, L, M, I, J, R, S, T, U, Q, R, Y, Z. So, plus 1 and minus 1. So, alternatively, they have done plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, they have done. Clear? Yes, exactly. So, then what will come after G? What will come? H will come. So, E before what will come? D, D, E. And then next O, what will come? O, P. And then from N, M. Sorry, we have to go from down, right? L, M. Will be getting what? L. Yes, L. Will be getting L. So, L and then M. Yes, exactly. So, plus 1 minus 1 is the right answer. Then here comes F, and here comes yes, and here comes yes, and here comes X. Very good. Clear? Why all giving one answer? Oh, sorry. Both are same. Okay, I didn't see. Right. Sorry. Those have given 1 and 4. Right. Sorry. Yes, right. HDPLFSSX. Right. Option A. I'm sorry. I've given both the same. No, no, no. One will not come, right? Sorry, it's Z. I also get confused out of you. It is Z, no? See here, this is Z. This is X. 4 only correct. RS, and then we have to go down to up XY. Learners, you made me also to confuse. Right? Option 4 only. See, this is X and sorry Z, and this is X. So we have to do +1 -1 +1 -1 alternatively. Yeah. No same. Yes, Julfikar, you are right. I got confused why all are giving 1 1 1 1. Option 4 is the right answer because last one is X, it's not Z. Please do carefully watch the full question. Okay, watch the full question. Very good. Next one on board. Devadatta is fat and he does not eat during the day. Therefore, Devadatta is eating during the night. What kind of Indian school of logic? Whenever learners wants, I'm doing DIE max. That's why I didn't take DIE today. Because if I take DIE right, no one is having the patience to do. But we have to do it, learners. Please do understand. And then in between, I will tell what are all the things that you have to remember when you are doing DIE. I will tell you. So very good, very good, very good. The right answer for this question is Devadatta. Implication. Yes, it's right. So implication is the right answer. This is nothing but Arthapati. Arthapati, we assume something, right? That is Arthapati, and comparison is means what? Upamanam. Upamanam, right? Yes. And then perception means what? Pratyaksh, where we used to perceive through our sense organs. That is Pratyaksh. Okay, Pratyaksh. And next one, verbal testimony, and that we call Shabda Praman. Shabda Pramana. Okay, these are, we have a total 6 pramanas: perception, inference, upamanam, arthapati, anuplabdhi, and shabda pramana. These are the 6 pramanas through which we gain knowledge, in which arthapati and anuplabdhi were said to be the apramana. Clear? Yes. Next question on board. Which of the following statements are said to be logically equivalent? Logically equivalent. Logically equivalent. Draw the Venn diagrams to identify. I'll just tell you, all for this you used to do this, for all, and for some we used to do this, and for no we used to do this, for no, and some not we used to do this, some not. Yes, just to draw the diagram and tell. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option 2 is the right answer, because see, here this is no monkeys or felines. No monkey or felines. Some monkey or felines, this one will come, monkey and felines. And some felines or monkey, again this common part will come. And some monkeys are not felines. There are some monkeys which are not felines, this part will come. I am good, Malayaran sir, I am very good, very good. So here the right answer is option B and C will give the same figure. Clear? Very good. Please do try to draw the Venn diagram. For all we used to draw like this, some we used to draw like this, some not we used to draw like this. Okay. So when you draw the diagrams, the equivalent we can get. And when you go for that square of opposition question, draw that diagram. AEIO diagram you have to remember. This is contrary, these two are contradictory, these two are sub-contrary, right? Sorry, subaltern, and this is sub-contrary. Okay, so this is contrary, this is subcontrary, this is subaltern, this is also subaltern, this is contradictory. So when you remember these diagram and that terms, easily we can make it. Okay, right. Next question. Two propositions are contradictory if. Two propositions are contradictory if. Quick answers. Just draw the diagram, that's all. Check. If you give me wrong answer, just put a big kotu on your head. Okay. Read the question carefully. No hurry. Easy, noble question, known area question, don't do mistake. This is known area, don't do mistake. Your known area, do check. Oh my god, Zulfikar, you too giving wrong answer. Two propositions are contradictory. Oh, you. All have to recheck your answers. Recheck. Recheck your answers, learners. All put a big kottu on your head like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One big kottu on your head. What is this? Huh? Activate your brain. Just now only I told you, right? What is the answer? Oh. Yeah, it's B is the right answer. How can be 2 here? See, this is A, E, I, O, which is contradictory. These two are said to be contradictory. Means what? When this is true means this will be false. When this is false means this will be true. Similarly, this is true means this is false. When this is false means this will be true. So, they cannot be both true at the same time. Absolutely right. They cannot both be false at the same time. Absolutely right. Of the pair, exactly one is true and exactly one is false. Yes, this is also true. They can both be false. How you give C as the answer? Huh? How you give C as the answer? Have you all give a kotu on your head? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is this? See, they cannot be both be false at the same time. Eliminate this. Next question. Next questions from research aptitude. No one has put kotu on your head. No one is responding me. Means that you have not accepted your mistake. Yes, sir. You all have kotu on your head. Didn't see below option. Sorry, ma'am. So please don't do mistake in your known area. This we know very clearly. Sometimes in exam what happens, right? Overconfidence. After looking at that question, yeah, I know this answer, I know this topic, and with conscious you will do wrong answer. With the conscious you do wrong answer. So please don't do mistakes in your known areas. It's very blunder. It will become 2 marks matters a lot for many learners. Don't take it just for 2 marks. It is 2 marks. Okay? Yes. Accept the mistake. Check all the 4 options word by word, character by character. Read the sentence and then understand. Don't give just like that answers, learners. Don't do mistake in your known areas. That will become very big blunder. Obtaining a voluntary and informed agreement from the participants to take part in a study is referred to as informed consent. So I get concerned from the participant and to be a part of my research, right? Informed content. Voluntary participation means I am ready to be a part of it. Okay, no one is forcing me to be a part of it. That is voluntary participation. Yes, Satya, you are absolutely right. In examination, don't be overconfident. Overconfidence is not at all good. Don't be overconfident. Be very calm and neutral. Read the question, understand. If you know this area, okay, I know this one. Be very clear and then give the answer. No overconfidence in the examination. Okay, right. Next one. Which of the following reference styles is used for research in the field of business, history and arts? Do it quick. Yes, quick, do it. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, right. Very good, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 3, that is Chicago. Then what about APA, ma'am? APA is being applied in psychology, anthropology, like those studies, right? We use the APA style of referencing. Sociology, education, those studies we use the APA style. Education, and they use APA. And where we use the MLA style, we use the humanities, and we use in literature, we use the MLA style of referencing. And IEEE is being used in science studies, right? Engineering studies, we use IEEE style of referencing. For citation, we used to do it. Don't forget, most important topic under research aptitude. Next question. Research that collects data at a single point in time. I don't want to read the question. If I read, you will tell the answer. Read it, do it quick. Quick answers. Very good, very good. Huh? Okay. Yes. The research that collects data at a single point in a time to examine the current state. Always when you look at the question, when you read the question, search for the keyword. Search for the keyword, then it will be very easy. Collects the data at a single point in time. Examine the current state of phenomena, corresponds to which it is corresponds to cross-sectional. This collects data at a single point of time. Whereas in longitudinal data, they collect data at the different point of time. That is longitudinal data. Clear? Yes. Case study is talks about the data. It goes in depth to know more details, to explore the reason. That is what we do. Case study. Comparative research means I compare one with another. That is called comparative or correlational research. Clear? Yes. Moving to the next question. The research stream of immediate application. Very good. Pushpa, Suganya, Raj, Kavita, Kavya, Chala, Anjum. Very good, very good. Next question, come on. The research stream of immediate application. Yes, quick. Very good, quick. Yes, right. Yes. Yes, the right answer for this question is action research. Listen very carefully. 1 minute, I will cover all the research here. Action research talks about the immediate application, right? For any problem, I want immediate action. I'll be get into action research. Here we have PAOR. PAOR. Plan, act, observe, reflect. What is fundamental research? This we call it as a basic research, and which add knowledge to the corpus, to the field of domain. That is fundamental research. What is conceptual research? The research which used for the philosophers. They work on this conceptual research. They create new facts, new concepts. Empirical research, they work on evidences. Scientific research, that we call empirical research. And apart from that, we have applied research. What is applied research? Here fundamental research is basic research. With that basic research, we apply for any kind of problem and we get a solution, and that is called applied research, right? And then we have a historical research. Historical research means it works on the past events, where we have two important terms here: external criticism, internal criticism, right? That talks about the validity of that data which we collect, historical research. And then we have a quantitative and qualitative research. Don't forget, many times I have talked about quantitative, qualitative. Quantitative research talks about the data in numerical way. Qualitative research talks about the data in word form or image form, right? So that is qualitative data, quantitative data. And here we use structured data, here we use unstructured way the data will be. And here in quantitative we use a deductive approach, in qualitative we use a inductive approach. Quantitative works like experimental research will comes under the quantitative. Under qualitative research we have ethnography, we have narrative research, we have focus group research, we have historical research. Any research will comes under the qualitative research type. We have done. Can you explain empirical research? Raj, empirical research works on scientific way, evidences. If evidences is there means it will be taken. That is called empirical research. Okay, right. Next one. Which of the following types of research depends least on empirical facts? Just now I told you. Empirical facts. Very good. Come on, quick. I gave that keyword now. I gave you that keyword. Very good. Least on empirical facts. Least means what? The evidence importance is very less. How can you say one as the answer? This is ethnography. Ethnography talks about the lifestyle of people, culture of the people. Their evidences plays a very vital role, right? The evidences means like how they eat, what kind of articles, subjects they use. That all evidences, right? This talks about the lifestyle and culture. And the phenomenological research, this talks about what? Phenomenon, event, right? That is an evidence is there. See, because of tsunami this much have been affected. Phenomenological research, there also we need evidence. This is called a philosophical research. Experimental, definitely we need evidences, right? Because in experiments we work on the scientific data, so definitely we want evidences there. But see, philosophical research talks about what? It talks about the no need of relying on evidences that much, right? It is a different stream, philosophical research. Clear? Can you able to differentiate? Can you able to differentiate between other research? How the world has been there, how it has been existing, what is the reality, all those things. Philosophy, yes, they least on the empirical facts, right? Very good. Next question. Which of the following criteria and research mainly to the issue of causality? Let's soon get 100 live watchers. Please try to share with your friends and make it as 100. Quick answers. This comes under the characteristics of research. Yes, very good. The right answer. Are you giving answers? Right, yes. The right answer is internal validity comes under research characteristics. So when you take a research, it should be valid and it should be reliable. It should be valid and it should be reliable. So valid talks about what? Valid talks about the accuracy of the data. The data should be accurate. Reliability talks about what? It talks about the consistency of the data. How consistent is my data? That talks about the reliability. Inside validity we have many different types. Here internal validity talks about the cause and effect. Okay, so whether my data is talking about the cause and effect, that is internal validity. External validity talks about what? Generalization. when I use here, whether can it be generalizable to other situation or not. That is called external validity. Measurement validity means whatever measurement I am making, right, either it is accurate or not, that is measurement validity. Transferability means here I am doing, whether I can able to do it in the other place also, that is transferability. Okay, here the issue of causality is being done only in the internal validity. Clear? Very good. Next question. Qualitative research is generally associated with dash. Just now also I told this answer to you, learners. Quick. Quick learners. Please do share with your friends. Ask them to join so that it will be a very good practice for them. Quick. Qualitative research associated with dash. Very good. Yes, very good, very good. Quick. Yes, very good, Pooja. You're absolutely right. Yes, the right answer for this question is qualitative research is nothing but inductive approach. All these three things we comes under the quantitative research. Quantitative research. Very good. Next question. How are the questions? How are the questions? How are the questions, learners? Do you enjoy the questions? Can you able to recall things which you have learned before? Which one, Satya ma'am? This one? Okay, I'll tell you, Satya ma'am. I'll tell you. Yes. Okay. Very good, very good. Right. The before question I'll tell you. Qualitative research is generally associated with. See here in research we have a quantitative research and we have a qualitative research. Qualitative research. So quantitative research focus on numerical data and they focus on theory, hypothesis, observe and confirm. Means that all scientific experiments that we do, all experiments, laboratories we do, we know what we are doing, we know what we will be achieving at the end. Okay, so we have the theory in the front, so theory will be there and then we'll create an hypothesis, either this one or this one. We want to prove the second one, like that I need to show the difference between those two. Okay, so I will be analyzing this is the reason for this happening, that is hypothesis I have framed, and I will do the experiment and I will observe what is happening and I will confirm, see this is what happened. So that is called for that we use quantitative research. Here this we call it as deductive approach. Deductive approach means what? I start deductive. What deductive will do? He will start from a outer point and they will move towards the specific. So if from the general point he will be moved towards the specific point, and that is called deductive way of doing research. And there in a qualitative type is called observe the pattern, analyze and then confirm the theory. So here, so not confirm, they will create a new theory will be created in the qualitative research, and this research we call inductive in nature. Inductive in nature means what? They will be having a specific point and they will be observe each and every instances, every single instant they observe and they will come to a general point. Okay, and that is called qualitative research, and here we use inductive approach to handle that qualitative data set. Okay, right. Yes, next question on board. For this question, the right answer is experimental. Arul Jyoti, I will tell you what is cohort. Wait 1 minute. Which of the following research methods, manipulation and control of variables and randomization of sample, are the two basic requirements? If you take experimental research, there we need to have manipulation, there we need to have a controlled environment, and there we need to have a randomization. These are the most important parameters to do the experimental research, right? Very good. Next question. Positivist research approach. Knowledge is generally considered as what? Cohort, I will tell you, don't worry. Quick answers, learners. Yes. Very good. Very good. Easy question. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. The right answer for this question is developed through structured, systematic, empirical methods. See, positivist. So here we can add it under quantitative, right? So for when I am doing quantitative research, it is also called positivist research approach too, right? So what is this positivist approach? This is all which we do scientific experiments, which is very systematic, very planned, which rely mostly on evidences, which mostly on deductive approach, and that we call it as positive research approach. Natural sciences, we expect the evidences should be there, right? So the knowledge is generally considered through structured, systematic, empirical methods. Here there is no space for personal experience or subjective interpretation. So whenever we have a subjective and personal experience, right, that comes under the interpretivism or sometimes at post-positivist research paradigm. Okay, it is rooted purely in theoretical assumptions, not exactly this one, but combined together, we should be structured, it should be systematic, it should be empirical methods to be used in the positivist research method. Okay, next one. Which of the following are the way of post-positivist research paradigm? Post-positivist research paradigm. Quickly do it. Post-positivist. We have three. Positivism, post-positivism, and then we have interpretivism. Yeah, right. Very good. Very good. Yes, quickly do it. Yes. Is question okay? Right answer for this question is option 2. Is there a yes? Option 2. Because see here, evidence based reality and which is empirically verified. You know why? Positivism talks about the quantitative. Purely it is empirical. Purely it is objective in nature. But post positivism, right? It has both quantitative and also qualitative in nature. So that time what will happen is evidence based reality. It takes the evidences and the reality will be taken. Sometimes when we get into reality where it will be subjective too, and that subjective thought should be empirically verified. So here it has the combination of quantitative and qualitative types. So that is what is mentioned here. Post positivists consider both quantitative and qualitative methods to be a valid approaches. Okay, positivist means what? It purely rely on the quantitative things, it purely rely on the natural scientific data. Scientifically, if it is yes means yes, no means no. That is what we call under the positivist. But when you come under post positivism, what happens there? We have to evidence based reality should be there. That reality data sometimes it can be go subjective nature, which can be empirically verified. So it has a combination of both the things, and that's what we call post positivism paradigm. Clear? Yes. Moving to the next question. Somebody asked about cohort, right? With that question. Do this one quick. Interpretivism means what? It purely talks about the reality which is in subjective in nature, qualitative nature. Okay, it is pure qualitative nature. You remember one example, learners. For qualitative, I am going to a village, I get to know about the people. So I sit, I talk with them. That is reality, subjective in nature. Each and every person I talk. Okay, that is qualitative. Quantitative on the other end, experiments which we do in laboratories, where it works on data, numbers, data analysis will be there. That is called quantitative, or that uses positivism paradigm. Clear? Yes, the right answer for this question is cohort study. What do you mean by cohort? Cohort means is nothing but a group of people. A group of people which they have a common characteristics will be there. Say I want to know about my college first year students mindset, first year, second year, third year mindset means I will be grouping people under a common characteristics. What is that? They all belong to first year, they all belong to second year, they all belong to third year. So here I have created three different cohorts like first year, second year, third year. So a specific well defined population, over time sampling different people at each data collection point, which refers to cohort study. Okay. Okay, different people at each data collection point, different data points. If it is done in the same point means then we say it's a cross-sectional research. Okay, clear? Right. Cohort means simple, it is nothing but a group of people. They have a shared similar characteristics. Similar characteristics. Okay. Next question. Next questions from teaching aptitude. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Very good. Lecture method, collaborative method, case-based method, problem-based learning method. The right answer for this question is option 3 is the right answer, because lecture method is a teacher-centric method where it is focused on the knowledge is only transmitted from one end to another end. Collaborative method means what? Sitting together. It forms as group. Everyone contributes their strength over there. So students work together to solve problem and learn concepts. So each one will contribute their skill. And then case-based learning, students are exposed to cases to develop their critical thinking. Problem-based learning means what? Focus on real-world problem solving. That is problem-based solving. Very good. Next question on board. What does the play-way method develop in students? What does play-way method? There are different methods now has come in the exams. Play-way method. Very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option 4 is the right answer. So whenever a child through play, when he or she learns means her cognitive will be improved, emotional attitude will be improved, physical development will also be improved. This also comes under the Bloom's taxonomy that talks about CAP theory, that is cognitive, affective, psychomotor. Cognitive talks about the knowledge, affective talks about the emotion, psychomotor talks about the motor skills that they do, right? Don't forget this CAP theory. This comes under the Bloom's taxonomy. Okay, right? This cognitive we have a KC, A squared SC, and then affective domain we have R squared VOC, and psychomotor we have IMPAN. Imitation, manipulation, precision, articulation and naturalization. Don't forget, very important, we can expect question, connected question, all we are called Bloom's taxonomy. Next one. Which of the following is the driving force for student commitment, engagement, and persistent in direct self-directed learning? Just quick, quick. Yes, Brinda ma'am, correct. Very good, very good. Yes. Driving force for students' commitment, engagement, and persistent in self-directed learning. When I am doing the self-directed learning, what will be my driving force? Exactly, it is the motivation which I have inside. A student who is doing self-learning means he or she should have a motivation, he or she should have an interest, he or she should have a good attitude towards learning. Very good. Next question on board. In a learner-centric approach, a teacher should dash. In a learner-centric approach, a teacher should dash. Very good, quick. Yes, come on, very good, quick. Yes. The right answer for this question is, if you want to do a learner-centric approach, the teacher should facilitate about learning. We are said to be the facilitator when we go into the classroom, when we want to approach the learner-centered way of teaching. Right there, we need to be a facilitator. We have to make people to sit together and we have to just go through what they are doing, how they are doing, what can be done. Suggestions can be given to students. That is facilitating the students learning way. Right, very good. Teacher as a facilitator. NEP 2020 also suggests, UGC suggests that we teachers are in higher education called as facilitator. We cannot go and just tell them blah blah blah, beat them, nothing. We have to facilitate, because in higher education teacher's role is to facilitate learning. Next question on board. Which of the following methods are called learner centered teaching methods? Learner centered teaching methods. So nearly learners, we are moving towards 40 plus questions today, right? By now it is 10:30, going to be 1.5 hours. We are doing 40 plus questions now. Hope you would have enjoyed the theoretical questions. For DI, MR and RC, I will be telling you what to be done. Yes, very good. Learner centered teaching method. Elimination, do elimination. Do elimination. Do elimination. Yes, do elimination. Focus on the question. Focus on the question. Close your eyes. Bring your focus over here. Learner center means what? I'll be learning. Learner will be active. Definitely A will be there. If the learner is active, how the learning will be in passive way? No, right? Passive means being ideal, right? So passive learning will not be there. Eliminate D. That's all. Option only one. Right? Only one option is there. Active learning, cooperative learning, inductive teaching learning. Yes, right? Inductive teaching and learning. Very good. Come on, quick. Next question on board. Swayam, an initiative of Government of India, aims at dash. Yes, quick, quick. Waiting for your answers. Swayam. So many things are there. So many times we have done. You want right answer for this question, learners? Very good, very good. Yes. Yes, the right answer for this question is what? It is to provide 50 questions, find a new information. Thank you so much, Satya ma'am. Affordable quality education to citizens for free. Here we have to understand two things. See, what is Swayam? Study webs of Swayam, abbreviation. Every time I used to ask you Swayam, the abbreviation. Swayam, abbreviation. Swayam. Very good. Yes, study webs of active learning for the young and aspiring minds. Right? Study webs of different. You can expect question. Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. That is the abbreviation of SWAYAM, and it was been initiated by the Government of India in the year 2017. The main purpose of this is to provide them massive open online course. It is the main initiative. Very good, Brinda. Very good, Ravichalvi. Half is there, which is there is the next half. And then it has been it has the 4 quadrants. What are the 4 quadrants? It has the e-content. It has the video will be there, PDFs will be there, quiz will be there, and the discussion will be there. That too, online discussion will be there. That is the 4 quadrants of Swayam, and where it having a 3 cardinal principles called equity, quality, and equity, quality. What is another one? Equity, quality, and access. Yes, access, because anytime anywhere we can access, and this give content for people from 9th standard to post graduation. And this Swayam has 10 coordinators. Don't forget, we can get answers. 10 coordinators we have. Who are the 10 coordinators? Anu, working in CNN India. I. What is this last I? This is Institute of National Importance added to the Swayam National Coordinator. They provide content to the yes, very good, Brinda ma'am. And you also have to be very clear about who are they and for whom they provide content. Okay, right? Here these 2 I's for schools, they give content, and this I is for IGNO, for out of school student, and this I for Indian Institute of Management. NITTR is for teacher education, and I now the Institute of National Importance, they give course for technical courses, they give courses, right? So please do understand for whom they give the courses. Okay, clear? And what about the A means what? A means AICTE. AICTE give content for engineering students, right? Sorry, not engineering, self-paced courses. N give for engineering students. U is for UGC. They give courses for PG students, and CEC give course for UG students, right? You have to remember all the courses which for whom they give courses, right? This is about the Swayam, and here it is for free. What does that means? Give the course for free, but if you want the certification, you have to pay fee. That you remember. Okay, right? Next one. I want 100% right answer for this one. AICT is for self-paced courses, international courses. Very good, everyone. Superb. Just do this one, do this one. Just waiting for your answers quick. Yes, very good, very good. Very good. The right answer for this question is option A, B, D. Swayam is designated for 3 cardinal principles: access, equity, quality. It is hosting all the courses taught in the classrooms from 9th standard to post-graduation. B is right. Swayam access students continuously and grant degrees? No. It access can be anyone, anytime, at any place. So A, B, D are the right answer for this question. Very good. A, B and D. Next question on board from communication. Next questions from communications. Quick. Very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Yes, yes. The right answer for this question is option 3 is the right answer. Messages are prepared by, which are the true with respect to mass communication. We have types of communication, right? Intra, inter, group, public, mass communication. Intra means within myself, inter means between people, group means defined people, public means to a larger audience, but it is not big than mass, right? Mass communication to a heterogeneous population. Heterogeneous population I will interact. That is mass communication. So the messages are prepared by non-professionals. No, when I want to deal with mass communication, their messages should be prepared by the professional people. B should be there, and messages are rapidly disseminated. They will be just spreading like something, that is rapidly disseminated. Messages are supposed to be understood. Here the messages, yes, whatever meant there, it should be understood. And then media audiences are homogeneous in terms of mass communication. No, they are said to be heterogeneous in nature. Heterogeneous means they will be of different age group, different sex, they will be different place. It is heterogeneous. So these two will not come in this option. Next one on board. Communication methods. Yes, quick, do it. Waiting for your answers. Yes. Very good, very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. The right answer for this question is option 1 is the right answer. Verbal communication, which we used to do through words, right? Non-verbal communication, which we do through our gestures, facial expression, our body language, all those things comes under the non-verbal communication. Written communication means where we used to have the use of symbols and text when we write, right? Oral communication means what will happen where I used to speak words, that is called oral communication. Clear, right? Clear? Verbal has both written and also oral use. Okay, right. Next question on board. Ayyo, 1 minute. Yes. I think you have not seen the answer, right? Hope so. Do this one. Do this one. Seen, ma'am. Ayyo. Identify the term which describes the body language from the following. Body language from the following. All are very, very conscious of the slides. Yes. Very good. See. The right answer for this question is kinesics. So what does it talks about proximity? Proximity talks about the distance between people when we do communication, right? So distance between people, the proximity, that we call it as proxemics. Study of people, of the distance what they speak, that communicates something to people. That is proxemics. Chronemics talks about the time. Okay, time factor and make people to understand something, that also communicate, that is chronemics. And then haptics, very very important, this talks about the touch. The touch we call it as haptics. Kinesthetics, what? Kinesthetics talks about the body language, facial expression, gesture, everything. And what about eye contact? Whenever we say eye contact, that study we call it as oculics. We call it as oculics. Clear? Right. Very good. What about gesture? Gesture we talks about whatever hand movement, we call it as gesture. Yes, very good. Next question on board. Non-verbal communication makes use of dash. Non-verbal communication makes use of dash. Non-verbal communication makes use of dash. Yes, eliminate. Yes, we can eliminate the options, right? We can eliminate this D and E. Verbal, eliminate. Clarity and abstraction comes with the words, right? Eliminate those two options. So we have B, A, B and C. Behavior to generate meanings, emotional meanings, non-clear system of rules. These three are said to be the non-verbal communication. Learners who are going to appear for KSET, the Sunday examination, be very clear with the concept that will be most useful to you in the point of examination. Don't be overconfident, don't be over tense, don't be on the two extremes, be in the middle, be very neutral, be very calm. Definitely all the things which you have read so far, it will be just popping like something when you read the question. It will pop out of your mind. Okay, don't worry at all. Next question on board. ICT initiatives of MHRD deals with e-governance. E-governance. Yes, very good. Come on, quick. E-governance. For e-governance, what is the initiative that they have done? Yes, Jagan, very good. E-governance. To take care of the administration. Take care of administration. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes. Yes, the right answer for this question is Samarth. So Samarth is a digital initiative which was started by Ministry of Education in the year 2019, where through they have done this is done in 2019 through NME ICT, very important term, National Mission on Education through ICT. So they want to make the universities of HEIs, that is higher education institutions, to follow some digital framework for their administration, right? So that is a scheme called Samarth in the year 2019. As we all know, what is Vidwan? Vidwan is nothing but the Vidwan is the expert database portal. Okay, that we call expert database portal, and IRINS is for the research. It is to like making people to collaborate there. That is called IRINS. That is Indian Research Information Network System. Indian Research Information Network System. I write here, just note it down. Indian Research Information Network System, where the researchers will collaborate over there. That is IRINS. Swayam, as we all know, steady web of active learning for young and aspiring minds for MOOC courses. Swayam Prabha is for offering the TV through TV television. The content will be delivered. That is Swayam Prabha. Right? Vidwan is nothing but the expert database. Okay, right. Very good. Next question on board. Which digital platform of Ministry of Education developed for open access to academic resources? Very good. Quick. Academic resources, open source. Very good. The right answer for this question is NDL, that is National Digital Library, right? This is the portal where we can access the academic resources. What about EPG Pathashala? EPG Pathashala is for the PG courses where we can access the content. And what is Vidya Mitra? Very, very important. It is an integrated e-content portal, which is an integrated e-content portal where we get, it is a initiative of InflibNet, comes under InflibNet, and this is said to be the one of the very largest OER repository. OER e-content repository. Note it down in your notebook. OER e-content repository. What do you mean by OER? Open educational resources. Open education resources, that we have NROER, National Repository on Open Education Resources, and this NROER is being governed by, taken care by CIET, Central Institute of Educational Technology. They take care of this NROER, and here this Vidya Mitra is a portal where mainly meant for what is that, integrated e-content portal on, especially for OERs. Clear, right? This is also taken care by InflibNet. And as we all know, Swayam Prabha, this is nothing but a DTH, direct to home, and here now we have totally 280 channels, 280 channels segregated into higher education, school education and competitive examinations. Here we have 40 channels, here we have 200 channels, and here we have 40 channels. Clear? Higher education channel 40, school education 200, and competitive examination, and that is called as SATI, SATHEEE, SATI. Clear? Yes, move to the next question. Do this one. Do like the session, learners. At the end, we are also going to see the how can we invest this 40 days for the UGC NET exam. That is also we are going to see. We are also going to see how to what to be done in our for our UGC NET 2024. So do wait till the end. We also discuss those things. Which of the following is not an objective for the National E-Governance Plan? The right answer for this, to make all public services accessible to common one, they have asked for not. To promote digital literacy across all demographics, to ensure efficiency, transparency and reliability of public services, to empower citizens through access to information. Yes, wait, very good. Right. So the right answer for this question is option 2. To promote digital literacy among all. See, this does not talks about the literacy. The e-governance talks about the administration, the planning and all those things, right? Digital literacy will be given by the education department. So here this is not an objective of e-governance plan. They want to make services available to every people. They want to give transparency. Any scheme is there, any plan is there, they have to make that plan as very efficient. They make that plan very transparent. Scholarship, anything, right? They want to empower citizens through access to information. Any information, any people can also access. Even see, now we have GPay. Even for a roadside shop we have GPay, right? So that's what we meant here. So digital literacy across all demographics does not comes under the e-governance. That talks about the administration and planning. Next question. Which type, what is meant by the term RAM? What is meant by the term RAM? RAM. Yes, do it quick. Waiting for your answers. Very good. 2 hours it's going to be. Am I right? Yes, it's going to be 2 hours. Yes, the right answer for this question is option 4, that is memory, which can be both read and written. So here this is memory hierarchy: register, cache, main memory, secondary memory. Register, which resides inside the processor, and then comes cache memory. This is called as a temporary memory, and where what will be holding as the most frequented data with respect to time and also with respect to place, that will be stored in the cache memory. And then we have main memory, we have RAM and ROM. And here in RAM, right, we have two types, that is SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is mainly taken care by cache memory, and DRAM will be there. And here this main memory, RAM, is called random access memory. ROM we called read only memory. Whenever we used to boot the systems and all, ROM will be working. We can only read that data, we cannot able to change that data. If we try to change, means then it will be collapsed, we cannot do it. That is read only memory. Next we have secondary memory, all types of external hard drives, external hard disk, and we all types of flash memories, everything comes under the secondary memory. When you talk about the cost, right, if it goes there, this is costly when compared to the secondary memory. When you take about the size, right, with respect to size and cost, even here some kbs of memory, some mbs will be costing more, but here some tbs will be cost less here. Okay, right. The capacity, when you take, this is very small capacity, here the capacity is very large. Access time, here we can the processing, here we can do it fast. When we come down, it will be decreasing, right? Please try to remember all these terms with respect to time, cost, speed. Okay, clear. Next one, select the smallest computer memory size. Thank you, Brinda ma'am. ROM means it's read only memory. Operating system booting will be there, right? If you want my system to be boot, I will switch on all the instructions, Android files, and Windows means Windows files will be activated. We don't need to do anything. Yes, very good. Smallest memory size. Memory size. Very important question in net examination. Most important topic we have from this one. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes. Yes. The right answer for this question is option 4. Again, option 3. Again, I am telling, don't do mistake in your known areas. It starts from bit, then we have nibble, then we have byte, then we have a kilobyte, and then we have megabyte, and then we have a gigabyte, and then we have a terabyte, that is TB, and then we have a petabyte, PB, and then we have exabyte, EB. Okay, teachers personal effectiveness. Okay, oh my god, you can remember it as KMG. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Then TPE, teacher personal effectiveness, you remember in that order. And the next one we have Z Y, Z to Y, X Y Z, right? So ulta is Z to Y B, right? That is the zeta, this is zeta, this is iota, that is Bruno, this is Bruno. Please note it down. Next one we have a geo. You can categorize in this way immediately. Oh my god, KMG, TPE, teacher personal effectiveness, TPE. Then we have ZYB, ZYB, then geo. What is this? This is nothing but 1 bit. This is nothing but 4 bits. This is nothing but 8 bit, 1 byte. And this KB we used to represent by either 2 to the power of 10, or we used to say 10 to the power of 3. MB we used to say 2 to the power of 20, or we used to say 10 to the power of 6. GB, that is 2 to the power of 30 or 10 to the power of 9. And then TB 2 to the power of 40 or 10 to the power of 12. Just like that you have to write, right? 50, here 10 to the power of 15. Here it is 2 to the power of 60 or 10 to the power of 18. Here zeta, that is 2 to the power of 17 or 10 to the power of 21. Iota 2 to the power of 80, this is 2 to the power of 24. Am I clear, learners? Yes. Are you all noting down? Noting down? Yes. Yes, clear? Yes. and then iota we have 80, and then Brono we have 2 to the power of 90, this is 2 to the power of 27, and Geop we have a 2 to the power of, that is 1200 and Brono byte. Okay, am I clear? Note down in your notebook, very 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 important. Yes, yes Tilaga ma'am. No ma'am, Exa then only Zeta will come. TPE, TPE, TPE. I'm telling you the how to remember. You remember in that way. Okay. Yes. Brono byte. Okay, right? And this also you have to remember, right? If I say it is 1024 kilobyte means, right, that also you should remember. If I say 1024 kilobyte, this can also be said as 1 megabyte. That also we have to remember. Clear? Right? Clear, learners? Yes, very good. Now I'm audible. Now? Now I'm okay? Visible? Now? Now clear? Sorry, I don't know what happens. A mistake has been happened. Now clear? Now clear, learners? Yeah, right. Now clear. I think my device has got some problem. I have come. Thank you so much. Everyone calling me. Thank you. Now clear. I'll repeat. From beginning itself is just not here. Huh? Okay. I will tell. Yes, from the start, I will tell. Listen. So 40 days we have. For UGC net, traveling from January 11 to January 19, right? Okay. I'll come back again. I'll repeat again. Don't worry. Right. So today is 22nd of November. Okay. In this month of November, we have 9 days. Now, okay, right? Now audible, right? I'm explaining back. Don't worry. So November month we have 9 days, and in December month we have 31 days. Totally 40 days. Okay. No Sunday, no Saturday. I am taking class even though planning to take also on Saturday. Okay. Sunday you have to do your test. You have to do your revision. That you have to do it. So first what you have to do is you have to read your content based on whatever you have prepared so far, because we have only 40 days more. Right? And if you are new, no ma'am, I can contribute more number of time, means please do learn the content. Okay. Right. Second one, revise. Revise the content. Whatever you have written on your own handwriting or materials you have prepared, whatever you have scribbled over, just read the materials again and again and again. Make highlighter, write again a short note. For example, if you take higher education, write small note on post-independence, pre-independence, NEP, all short notes, right? Write it down and do the revision. Whenever you have time, just do the revision. Now I am clear, right? Now am I clear? Yes, right. So do the content, do your revision. Very important point is do your PYQs practice. You can ask me, ma'am, how to do PYQs practice. See, here in Unify Study app, we are doing regular PYQs practice. You can get into that one. If you are not a paid learner, no ma'am, I was not able to pay, means in Unify Study channel, we have done everything over there. You can also do. Apart from this, we will be doing free course also, right? But it is if you want to do it very consistently, you can also come into the Unify Study app. There you can also practice. Inside that, December 2023 PYQs are there, that we have done, that you can enjoy. And June also we have done. Previous one also we have done, that also you can watch. So the PYQs practice plays a very, very vital role. Make sure that every day you practice nearly at least 50 PYQs per day. Right? And one more important, I used to mention, please do it. 1 DI is very, very important. 1 DI, 1 day is most important. You have to sit, write and practice. You have to sit, write and practice. Right? Here in Unify Study also we have done. You can take the problems from there and you can solve it. And you also have to practice RC by means of reading comprehension. Right? That is easy to do it. But when DI, you have to practice more. Right? And the fourth one, that I mainly focus on the mock test. Mock test. Definitely after December 15, 1 day you have to do 2 tests. Complete test, I am telling you. 2 complete tests you have to do in paper 1. 2 complete tests. 2 complete tests per day. At least 1 complete test per day. So before getting into the examination, you should have done minimum of 20 full length test. 20 full length test you should have done in terms of paper. I am telling very minimum. If you are very good, daily 2 full length means, then it is very good. Because that full length test will make your psychologically to be adapted to that one. I am telling you, if you do it regularly for this 40 days, definitely you will be getting good score. Okay, that PYQs practice plays a very vital role. There we will be learning new concepts. See, today we have learned so many new concepts there. Last week we did free session. There also we did previous year question and also from other set examinations. Okay, that we have to do it. So content revision is most important. Don't think paper 1 just like that. Those who have missed by meager marks, they would have done mistake here. I am telling you here. If you are very good in paper 2, I am extraordinary well. I can score 200 out of, for 200 I can get 180, 170. Very good, no problem at all. But here at least no constraint, no, that 40 is not there. But we have to make a score, right? That 10 marks or 15 marks, that will takes you to JRF in net examination, I am telling you. So Suganya, definitely after that December, during that December, we will be having the marathon sessions here in Unify Study. Last net examination, unfortunately, I was feel sick. That's why I am not able to do. This time for sure, I pray to God to be healthy. Definitely, I'll be doing. Don't worry. Okay, definitely. So here in Unify Study, we are uploading now. Now we have uploaded test on topic wise we have done, right, and full length test we will be doing definitely for sure, because you have to practice as many full length mock test. So that full length mock test will be most useful to you, right? To join the paid course, just visit unifystudy.com website. Here in the description you have given the link unifystudy.com, okay, or you can also contact 9942659836 to join for paper 1. Okay, here in Unify Study regularly we do practice, but apart from that in YouTube channel also we are doing. Those who can able to join, you can, or you can able to follow, you can follow. And one more important thing, already I have done, especially with logical reasoning, with PDE and with mathematical reasoning in our YouTube channel. We have so much of content is there. All content with examples, with the PYQs, quick revision, all revision names I have given there. You can also watch for free learners. Please do watch over there in our channel. Right? Please do watch here. So much of content is being there for free also. Please do practice, listen. Definitely you can do it. And one more video is there. I will just add it in this one. In that video, what are all the topics that we have got questions in this June re-exam, I have made a video. Please do watch for free learners, those who want to do it. Try to get all the topics, write it down, practice in such a way. Definitely we can make it. CH Kumari, we can, that through app itself we can do. GPay is enough to do. Okay, so there in that YouTube channel we have done LR, all topics, starts from the square of opposition, connotation, denotation, Indian logic, philosophy, everything is being covered there. PDE, protocols most important, greenhouse gases, Montreal protocol, all conventions, pollutions we have done. Please do watch all those things. These are the most important. I would like to consolidate the points for your 40-day strategy. First point, do your revision. Do your revision which you have done through your short notes. That is first important point. Please do it. Second point, try to do more number of PYQs practice. At least try to plan. You have to do 50 questions per day. That should be your plan. Ma'am, where to get PYQ practice? Here also we have, in our app we used to have the PYQs, right? In many sources we have this PYQs. Questions are there. Try to practice. Right, and then third one, we have to do the mock test. We have to do our mock test by the end of the exam date. That by that date, right, you should have done minimum 20 full length. I am saying very minimum. If you are going 100 also, it's very good. 20 full length mock tests you should have been done. Right, we will try to upload as many mock tests as possible in the app so that you can able to do it. Here we have topic wise tests in the app also. You can go and visit. For the paid learners we have as many as mock tests are there. You can just try to do it. Okay, clear? These are the mantra to clear the examination with score of 80 plus in your paper 1. I am telling you for sure, if you do it consistently, without any kind of excuse. Don't say excuse. Success and excuse don't go together. Success and excuse, they don't go together. If you want success, just put that excuse outside. If you want to say excuse, then success will tell you tata bye bye and it will go. So you choose what you want. Either you want success or you want excuse. No ma'am, we failed to do DI. We have not practiced DI. We have not read the higher education. People development environment is very tough for us. If you say excuse means success also will say excuse, tata bye bye, next time you will see. So you choose which one you want. Okay. So these are the mantra that you have to keep in your mind to crack the exam, paper 1 especially, with more score. Okay. PYQs practice, we are doing it here in app. That also you can wish to join. and previous year questions are also there, that also you can also enjoy. So June, December, this is the exam. These three we have to focus for your exams. Clear? Yes. Please do visit the YouTube channel. There we have made a playlist of all those things. Please do watch all the PYQs that we have. Clear? Any doubts, learners? This is the mantra for your success in your examination. Any doubt? Yes. So learners, if you want to join the course, you can also get from the description. Okay. Do your practice regularly. Don't say any excuse. Don't say any reason. Do it and crack it. If you waste this 1 month, again you have to sit for another 6 months. Don't forget. If you waste this 1 month means again you have to sit for 6 months. Which one is important? 1 month investment or again you want to make another 6 months? Just decide. I prefer this one, not this one. Right? Yes. With this mantra, I will try to wind up the class. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Try to share with your friends so that it will be most useful to them. And also subscribe if you have not subscribed our channel. Like so that it will be referred to other people also. So thank you so much. Tata bye bye. Nearly it has been 2 hours session. Hope it will be useful to you. KSET aspirants, all the best. Be calm. Do your exam well. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much. Tata bye. Give your feedback about the session in the comment. Okay.